how to show or hide live transcribe in the app list on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on hearing enhancements. Next, tap on live transcribe. Then tap on open live transcribe. And from here, tap on the settings icon. Then tap on more settings. Next, tap on show icon in the app list. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once it is turned on, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now, if you go into app list, live transcribe should be somewhere in here. So here it is. So you can just quickly tap on that to open it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.